Hey guys, welcome to Try and Review. Once again, I'm Michaela. How you guys doing today? So I'm starting the video off on a little bit of a sad note today. So I recently just purchased some slip-on Vans, black and white, classic. And I didn't know I was going out anywhere later, like anywhere that would be a bad idea to take new shoes. So I went to like a little bar. And of course, drunk people, how they are, somebody stepped on my new shoes. I was upset. So I got home, noticed all the little black markings on the white spots of my Checkered Vans, and I look up a couple videos to figure out how to clean it off. I do that, and I get up the next morning, only to find out that my brand new Vans, only worn one time out of the box, are now faded. Look at this. Looks like I had them for 3 months. This right here is the new part. This right here is the faded area of my Vans. Great, right? So of course I'm upset, even though I did get them on sale. I will tell y'all that, but that's not the point. Sale or not, my brand new shoes shouldn't look like half of them I've had for 3 months, right? Anyway, went online, looked up some quick fixes. One of them said something about some bleach and white vinegar, but I wasn't gonna risk that one because who knows how messed up that might get. So I'm gonna just stick with fixing the black squares. Went on Amazon, found some Crafts for All, is the name of these fabric markers. We try this out, see if it works. Only thing about these though is that it does say that after it dries for 12 to 24 hours, you're supposed to iron the reverse side for 3 to 5 minutes. Don't know how you're gonna iron the inside of a shoe. I have a curling wand. Don't know if that's really gonna work because the top part on the inside of the shoe has something plastic. If you try it at your own risk, but don't say I told you to do it. Anyway, let's get into it, see if this works. Okay, so the first thing I really like about this is how it has the fine tip side and a broad tip side. So my sister recommended me starting off on another piece of fabric to make sure it doesn't bleed. So got like an old sock just to see. It doesn't look like it bleeds. Alright, let's try it on a small square. Okay, so first tip, be careful not to bump the edges. Looks a little better already. Alright, so verdict is in. They look better than they did. However, just be really careful because now I'm a little sad. I went just a little tiny bit out of the lines in a couple spots. It's very faint, but if you're a perfectionist like me, it'll bug you. My sister just keeps telling me to leave it alone because I'm going to make them worse. So I guess I will listen to her and leave them alone before I mess up something that I cannot fix. So anyway, Crafts for All markers worked great. Fine tip, wide tip for the inside of the squares, fine tip for the outsides. I think I was doing fine until I started outlining them, which don't do it. Just don't. I'm gonna let them dry for the 12 to 24 hours, see if it makes a difference. I'm not gonna try to iron them because I'm likely to burn my shoe. But moral of the story, don't wear new nice shoes out unless you absolutely know that you're not going to be somewhere where they can get messed up, no matter how cheap they are. Anyways, have a good one. Till next time, like, subscribe, follow. Thank you guys. Have a good one.